This is how it all started. This is how it looks today. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share our backdoor transformation journey, and in the end of the video we're going to share all the costs and how long it took us. We made one more shelf for small items such as books or tablet, and we add one more fan for better airflow. In total we used 10 bottles of spray foam, 2 plywood sheets, 60 wooden tiles, a lot of screws and few bottles of glue. Total cost is around 270 euros, and it all took around 10 days. The door is still not finished. We're gonna put an LED above the shelf, and the back door is usually forgotten. We didn't want to make this mistake, so we put a lot of effort in it. Good luck with yours!